Welcome to Quick Law Revision. Today, a quick revision capsule on Section 10 of the Transfer of Property Act 1882. Section 10 deals with conditions restraining alienation. Alienation simply means transfer of property. The basic principle is simple. When a person becomes the owner of a property, he should have the freedom to transfer it. Therefore, the transferor cannot impose a condition that completely takes away the transferee's right to transfer the property. This is known as the rule against inalienability. Section 10 provides that when property is transferred subject to a condition that absolutely restrains the transferee from transferring the property, such condition is void. The principle behind this rule is that the right to transfer is inseparable from beneficial ownership. An owner must be free to deal with his property. Now, remember the two types of restraints. First, absolute restraint. A restraint is absolute when it substantially takes away the right to transfer. Such a condition is void. Examples: not to transfer the property to anyone, not to transfer the property for 100 years, not to transfer the property to anyone except the transferor. These conditions effectively destroy the right of transfer and are therefore invalid. Second, partial restraint. A restraint is partial when it only limits the right to transfer without taking it away completely. Partial restraints are generally valid. Examples: not to transfer to a particular class of persons, not to transfer for a limited period such as 2 years, to transfer for any purpose except a religious purpose. Remember, absolute restraint is void. Partial restraint is generally valid. Now, let us look at the important exceptions. Exception 1 is lease. A condition in a lease prohibiting the lessee from subletting or assigning the property is valid. Exception 2, benefit of a married woman. A condition restraining transfer during the lifetime of a married woman may be valid. However, this exception traditionally applies to Christian women and not to Hindus, Muslims, or Buddhists. Quick exam recap. Section 10 deals with conditions restraining alienation. Alienation means transfer. The rule is known as the rule against inalienability. Absolute restraint on transfer is void. Partial restraint is generally valid. A condition against subletting in a lease is valid. Certain restraints created for the benefit of a married woman are exception to the rule. That's your quick revision for today. Keep listening, keep revising, and write your exams with confidence. See you soon in the next QLR capsule.